Solve each of the following equations for the unknown pronumeral. For part A, we have 5k plus 4 is equal to 2k minus 2. So as you can see, we've got an unknown on both sides of the equation. So what we generally need to do here is get all unknowns onto one side of the equation and all the other terms onto the other side of the equation. As a starting point, it's generally easiest to subtract away the smallest amount of unknowns from both sides of the equation. So what I mean is we've got a 5k and a 2k. We're going to subtract 2k from both sides of the equation. So we do this so the positive 2k and then negative 2k here will cancel. So on the left hand side we have 5k minus 2k leaves 3k plus 4 is equal to negative 2. Next, we're going to subtract 4 from both sides to get everything else on the other side. So that means the positive 4 and the negative 4 here will cancel. This will leave us with 3k is equal to negative 6. And now if k is multiplied by 3, we can divide by 3 and do that to both sides of the equation to get k by itself. So the 3 here and the divide 3 has cancelled. This leaves k is equal to minus 6 divided by 3, which is negative 2. Therefore, k equals negative 2 is the answer for part A. We can also check that our answer is correct by substituting it into the left-hand side and right-hand sides and seeing that they are in fact equal. So the left-hand side is going to give us 5 times k, which is timesing negative 2, plus 4. So that gives negative 10 plus 4 is equal to negative 6. And then we have the right-hand side, which is equal to 2 times k, which is negative 2, minus 2, and that gives negative 4 minus 2 is negative 6. So we can see the left-hand side is equal to the right-hand side. So we've got the correct answer for part A. For part B, we have x plus 2 all divided by 2 is equal to 2x minus 4 all divided by 5. So to solve this, we're going to start by multiplying everything by 10. And that 10 there is the lowest common multiple of 2 and 5. So that just allows us to get rid of our denominators. So what's going to happen here is we have 10 and then it's divided by 2. So all we're left is 5 times x plus 2 is equal to, and we would have 10 divided by 5 is 2 times 2x subtract 4. Next, we're going to expand our brackets. So we're going to have 5x plus 10 is equal to 4x minus 8. Once again, we have unknowns on both sides of the equation, so we're going to get them all onto one side. So I'm going to subtract 4x from both sides of this equation. So in doing so, I have 5x minus 4x just leaves x plus 10, and that is equal to negative 8. Finally, if we subtract 10 from both sides of the equation, we get x by itself. Therefore, x is equal to negative 18. So that's the answer to part B. And you can check that as an extra task. We won't do that in this video.